Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss about tips and tricks to find the total number of squares present in any square grid, means any square board. See the question, find the total number of squares of different sizes present in the given square board is. This is a square board. In this square board, how many rows are there? 4 rows. And how many columns are there? 4 columns. So here this is 4 by 4 square grid. 4 rows and 4 columns. So you should find out the number of squares present in this square board. Different sizes. Same sizes and different sizes. Total number of squares. Before discussing about this question, first of all, take the simple example. See this. In this diagram, there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So this is a 2 by 2 square grid. In this square grid, find out the total number of squares. See, this is the first one and this is the second one. Then take squares of these numbers. 1 square plus 2 square equal to 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, that equal to 5. Total number of squares present in this particular diagram is 5. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 and this big square. Total number of squares are 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us move to the next one. In this diagram, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Total number of rows 3 and total number of columns 3. So this is 3 by 3 square grid. Now find out the total number of squares. To find out, first of all, place numbers like this 1, 2, 3. Then take squares of these numbers and finally add those numbers. Means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square equal to 1 plus 2 square means 4 plus 3 square means 9 equal to 14. Total number of squares present in this particular diagram is 14. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this big square. Total number of squares are 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13 and entire square is 14. Total number of squares present in this particular diagram is 14. Means here, for suppose there is a square grid, it contains n rows and n columns, n by n square grid or n by n square board. Then formula is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square. It means sigma n square. Sigma n square formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. Apply this formula for this diagram. 2 by 2 means here n is equal to 2. So here 2 and 2 plus 1 means 3 and 2n plus 1 means 2n means 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 6. That equal to this 6 and 6 gets cancelled. So answer is 5. Okay, 5 squares. Now apply the same formula for this second diagram. Number of rows and columns, n value is 3 here. So 3 into 3 plus 1 into 6 plus 1 by 6 equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means 12 into 7 by 6. 2 times gets cancelled, so 14. Total number of squares present in this particular diagram, 14. Now coming to the actual question, find the total number of squares of different sizes present in the given square board is. How many rows present in this diagram? 4. How many columns? 4. 4 by 4. Here n value is what? 4. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is sigma n square formula. Equal to n value is 4. 4 into 4 plus 1 means 5 into 2n means 8. 8 plus 1 means 9. 9 by 6. Then here 2 times and 3 times. This 3 cancelled how many times? 3 times. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 3, 30. There are 30 squares in this diagram. Without using this formula, directly apply the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. 1 square means 1 plus 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16. 10, 14 plus 16, 30. There are 30 squares in this particular diagram. Answer is 30. I think this method is very easy. Without remembering this particular formula, apply this shortcut. First of all, write the numbers, then square those numbers and add. That is the answer, final answer. I hope you understand how to find the total number of squares in the given square board. If you like the way of explanation, please hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.